Standing here in a parking lot in Cocoa Beach, Florida. Just came up and I found this guy.
Greetings, citizens.
Who are you?
Johnny Dickerson.
There he is.
How's it going?
This guy's in Florida. So we're gonna go light paint down the end of that road right there. He's staying at this hotel. That's Stacy. She's in it now. She don't want to be in it, but she's here. I wasn't planning on vlogging. I was just coming up to shoot, but why not?
And tomorrow's my last day, so it's kind of like a cherry on the Sunday.
There you go. Cherry, I'm a cherry on his Sunday. How's that? Look at all your gear. Got kaleidoscopes. We both got luggage. Into the darkness. Yep. I don't know what that guy's saying, but so we're obviously shooting by the hotel, and we have an audience. What are you setting up there, Johnny?
This is my kaleidoscope. It's a lot more heavier than Johnny Griffin's, but it's made of actual glass mirror.
So there we go.
Not
So it's
wide enough.
But it's basically what we have here is just mirror on a piece of wood, and then underneath is tripod head, right?
Yep.
Yes. I know you can't see us, it's too dark, but I just want to show you what is on the back of his camera. This is, you want to talk about straight out of camera. Johnny's just literally scrolling through and showing me stuff he's made. It's insane to me that he has this just scrolling through. So there's one. Literally just scrolling through. It's so insane. Look at that. Is this all one night?
I think it was 2 nights.
It's so crazy. And this is all shooting with the kaleidoscope.
Yep. And mostly the pixel sticks.
All right,
light
so
painting the edge.
just this stuff is the pixel stick. So all the, there we go. So all the numbers and stuff is the pixel stick, but you're actually, so you spun an orb with, what is that, is that just steel wool?
Yeah.
All right, so steel wool for the orb. Then you're running a pixel stick with a fade on it to this pattern.
No, there's no, well, it starts out yellow and then turns red.
Okay, so the fade is yellow to red.
But the blue is the bottle brush on the sides.
All around the side of it. The stuff Johnny has on his camera, right here, is insane in itself. But what we're gonna do right now is try to shoot something that is not gonna look anything like the amazing ones that he just did because I'm here. But, but we're gonna try to shoot something cool. So I'm using the light whip to make the ghost, like you guys, and then we just
go ahead and move the camera.
Completely bumped the camera there, but that's all right. So actually running the L wire down the kaleidoscope so it's into the middle, into the camera, which is there, so you can see what it's gonna do.
Cut it off, move it,
cut it on,
move it.
And that's gonna create this crazy cool just pattern just using this kaleidoscope that he built. All right, you wanna run through one?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Here we go, moment of truth. Yeah, it's pretty radical. I love this effect.
Yeah.
Needs.
It's got to be a fisheye there.
Johnny and I are gonna create using just 2 different colors of L wire. One going down, one on the outside edge. Those 2 colors. And then I'm gonna do the ghost thing in the middle, and we'll see what it looks like. Here we go. There it is.
Just like that.
I love it, man.
Oh my god, that's what you guys just did?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Crazy, right?
Holy shit. And that's That is badass because you got the ghost right in the center of that triangle, and it's like black. Oh, yeah, wow.
So, can you explain what we're doing?
We are moving L wire inside of a kaleidoscope
All right.
to get it refracted and reflected all the way around.
All right, so we're doing that.
And we're gonna
Like
hopefully
this. Yeah.
that in there as well.
Yeah, so we're gonna add in the blue on this one. And the way you're adding in the blue is how? How are you doing that with the kaleidoscope?
Just basically placing it right in front, right in the front corner like this.
Got ya. So we're doing blue there, and then
Yeah.
the other way, you're actually running it right down the thing.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then we're gonna use the ladies down there as our models. They're gonna stand in. I'm gonna go back behind them. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's the one right there. That one's cool. That's so rad.
That's so interesting. I love it.
Dude, I
And
love
we look
it.
purple, even throws it off that blue, makes us.
Zoom in. Flare's good.
Good job, guys.
That's cool.
We made pretties.
I dig it. We're gonna shoot one more.
I'm gonna say goodnight, y'all.
This is our last one. We're done shooting right now.
Oh, really?
Last one. Yep. This is our last one.
Like honest to God.
Yeah.
She's mentioning she's going to bed.
This
Here,
is
you want
this
me to
is
hold
our
that?
this is our honest last one. Hold on.
Yes.
Yes. Woo! There it is. Look at that beautiful image. Perfect. All right. We're done. That's it. Wrapping up. These two going home tomorrow.
Yep.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you very much. Showed me all this kaleidoscope stuff, all kinds of crazy stuff you can do with it, and
And fun stuff.
insane.
Yeah,
That's it.
quite a creation.
Have a good night.